Hi everybody, welcome back to the Naviforce watch. Due to the epidemic, we have long time no see, and I saw that many fans said they wanna see the latest watch unboxing video, and then here we are. We prepare an unboxing video today, and the model number is the NF9205. Okay, now let's take a look at the watch box. And again, the box, the black inner and the outer box with silver logo at the center. And now rip it off, and here you can see the box. Okay, open it. You can see the guarantee card here. The warranty period is for 1 year, and here is the instruction manual for you to adjust the new watch. Okay, this is the watch we will unbox today, and the NF9205 adopts a Japanese quartz movement from the cycle instrument ink and LCD digital movement. First, still look at the back side. Here from the back side you can see the model number of this watch and the material of the back. The stainless steel and the waterproof is for 3 ATM. Okay, our watches make use of the hardened mirror glass, so that the glass, you can see it is scratch resistant and durable to use. And here, let me show you the size of the watch. Okay, you can see here the case diameter of this watch is 45 millimeter, and the lug to lug of this watch is 53 millimeter, and here the watch, the thickness is 17 millimeter. Pay attention that the case, the material is zinc alloy. Okay, now we will move on to the dial and the bezel design details. As you can see here, the bezel. The bezel is applied with steel texture. The upper, the sleek, and down, the matte glittery surface. And plus the 6 powerful screws inlaid on the bezel. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 6 screws make this watch looks very cool. And the dial shading uses the Futuristic carbon fiber pattern as the shading you can see here. And so it is quite matched with the multifunctional windows of different shapes here, the fan shape and the circle shape like the eye, and the bottom one is irregular shape. And then press the button A, you can see the strong LCD. You can see the LED light. It's quite strong LED light, so it's clear to see the time no matter at the darkness or at night. And the total length of this watch is 240 millimeter. Forged in stainless steel, the strap is quite wear resistant and durable and convenient to wear. As you can see, the brass, the links is quite textured and futuristic. The very stylish sense of the strap, and the buckle is also easy to wear. Push the button and open, and here you can see the buckle is quite easy to adjust, and the workmanship of this watch is very exquisite. Okay, finally let's see all colors of this model. As you can see, there are a total of 7 colors here. Let me show you one by one. Okay, the first one color is the silver black. It's with the silver, the stainless steel strap, and the black case and the bezel, and the dial surface is also the black, and the studs and the upper right, the functional window is white. Okay, the next one is the silver green. Is with the silver stainless steel strap and the black case and the bezel, but you can see the dial is, and the hands, the second hand is with the deep green color. Okay, the third one, this color is the silver gold. Is with the silver and the golden. The strap is immediate. The strap of both two colors, the stripes, links, and you can see the case and the bezel. The bezel, the glittery luster of the bezel is very shining, and you can see the dial is also very shiny, very high, luxurious. Okay, next one is the black blue. Is with the black paint on the stainless steel and the blue case and the bezel. This kind of blue is like the deep ocean. Is quite futuristic and scientific sense. Very cool. Okay, the fifth one color is the one that we just unboxed, and this one is the rose gold black. It's with the rose gold, the back and the lugs, and here the functional windows, and the black paint on the stainless steel, and black case and bezel. Okay, next one is the golden black. It's with the golden strap, golden lugs, and the crown here, and the functional window is golden and very like big eye monster, something like that, and also very luxurious and show you strong. Okay, last one color is the golden blue. Is with also the golden paint on the strap here, and the lugs and the case back and the crown, but the bezel color is paint the blue, deep blue color. Okay, that's all unboxing content of the NF9205 today. Please thumb up and subscribe here, as well as follow us on the Instagram if you guys love us. And thanks a lot for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.